Jasmine, and this is our virtual outdoor classroom. So this one is an experiment that we're going to use to explore forces in motion, and then we're also going to learn about seed dispersal while we're using it as well. So this is our Catapult. So if you want to come a little bit closer, we're going to put some seeds inside of it. So we have a bag of wildflower seeds, and all of these seeds are a little bit different. So some of them have kind of like little wings that will help them fly, and then some don't. So we'll be able to see which ones go where. And when you come to do these experiments, we'll actually color these seeds with maybe a chalk. That way, whenever they fly, we can actually see the colors if we go out and walk to try to find them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some seeds in here. We're gonna pull this down and hopefully the seeds will fly. They flew a little bit, but a lot of them stayed around this area, but as you guys could see, they are kind of half and half. So some of them, like I said, have those wings on them and others do not. I can also adjust this here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it a little bit and make it a little bit tighter just to see what can happen. So that's another thing that we're gonna be doing during this experiment. We're gonna do a lot of hypothesizing. So we're gonna be able to see or ask everybody, what do you think will happen if we do different things? So when I tighten this, hopefully what I'm gonna hypothesize is that they're gonna go a little bit farther than the last ones did. Another thing that we can do during this is we can get different forms of substrate that we will put the seeds on or in. So if we get a clay ball and smush all of them in the clay ball, we'll shoot the clay ball out and we'll have to see what happens to it. And then if we want, we can put a big kind of bunch of mud together so that we can see what happens to that. Hopefully that one would spread out a little bit more. But let's go ahead and do this one again, just to see what this will do now that it's a little bit tighter. And so it definitely flew a lot farther. But like I said, we would use a bunch of different substrates to kind of test out what our different hypotheses